You can get this if you pay for the Connect subscription. So this one here, add images to notebooks. Let me read this to you first, and then we will hop across to my laptop and I will show it to you. You can now add movable images by dragging and dropping your JPEG or PNG files directly into your notebook, but it has to be done in the desktop app. So that's why we're going to flick across to my laptop in a minute. Perfect for screenshots or any other visual context you'd like to insert. So this is brand new, like you've never been able to do this. And of course you have to do it on your laptop, but at least you can do it. It even works with Convert to Notebook from Read on reMarkable. So we'll have a look at that so you can interact with the images from imported articles. So those two things. First of all, you just get an image into a notebook, and secondly, you can convert to notebook with Read on reMarkable. So here we are in my desktop app on my laptop, and these are just all the documents I've got on my home screen. And we are just going to add a notebook up the top there. Click on that, and then we're going to leave the name as is. We're going to select first page and click create. And then I'm just going to resize these two windows that I've got in my recording window. I'm going to open a folder here on my Mac. And so you just open your folder wherever the file, the JPEGs are, the pictures are that you want. Just open that file. And now you can see there's the two images that I've got. So let's drag across the JPEG file first. You just go into the folder wherever you've got it. I like to visually put it on screen. You pick it up and grab it, move it across and drop it. You can see the green plus. You just drop it into your notebook and look at that. There it is. So you can see the handles in the corners are squares and in the middle is a circle. That's for something else I'll show you in a minute. And you just move the picture, the image, exactly where you want it. I'm just going to type something. This is me typing. So you can see that. You can obviously press return, keep typing, and you can put your image wherever you want it. Second file type that the new release says is a PNG file. So that's the JPEG file that we moved, and here's a PNG file. And there it is. I can resize it, I can change it. Now, can I skew it? Normally, you can skew, no, I'm not. Let me see if I can press a command key or do it, no. So at this point, I don't think you can rotate it like around at an angle, but that's okay. And then you just click on it to select it. You know it's selected by having the handles around the outside. Oh, yeah, no. I'm looking for it to change into a round wibbly wobbly. Oh, there it is. So you can wibble wobble. You can see here, see the circle? When you do the circle, when you hold the circle, you can move it around. The square handle makes it bigger, smaller. And just so you know, the page is only so big here in the desktop app. It isn't forever and ever in the desktop app, the continuous page. All right, so that is the first part of the release notes.